guys, welcome back to my channel. It is time for another base layout. This is going to be for November 2nd through the 8th. I'm going to be using the Make Your Own Magic weekly kit plus add-ons from GoldPaperPrints. If you want to see a more detailed look on what this kit looks like as well as what's included, make sure to check out the haul down below. Other than that, let's go ahead and get into it. this is the final look of my base layout for November 2nd through the 8th. This is the Make Your Own Magic weekly kit from GoldPaperPrints. If you want to see how this ends up looking, check out on Monday for the plan with me. And also I wanted to show you guys real quick the little difference that I did. Instead of to clean, I put to work, or not to work, but work, just because cleaning doesn't always happen the way I want it every day, and there's no point in stressing myself out seeing this. So this is just gonna be my YouTube content for the most part. So yeah, there's that. And I finally figured out how I wanted to do this little strip that's at the bottom. It's 3 boxes of a length. I still have a little piece that I can use if I have like a little bit of white space left. So there's that. And again, if you guys want to see how this turns out, or at least the plan with me, make sure to stay tuned on Monday. I'll see you guys then. Bye guys.